In child's pose, walk your hands more forward, spreading your fingers. Make sure your buttocks is still down onto your heels. And slowly look front. Take your shoulders above your knees. Tuck your toes. Lift yourself up into downward facing dog again. And from here, we're going to bring ourselves into plank pose, pushing our palms firmly into the mat. Either side of your elbows facing each other. Roll your hips such that the front of your hips is coming towards your belly button. Engaging your abs strongly. Let's stay here a few more breaths in plank pose. We're going to get our rest in a little while. Stay up here. Keep pushing your palms into the ground firmly, engaging your abs. Engage the front of your thighs. Hold it here a little while more. Roll your hips. Front of your hips coming towards your belly button. Front thighs engage. Slowly lower knees down. Bend your elbows. Only the chest come down towards the ground. Buttocks remains up in the air. Slide ourselves forward. Point our toes back. Lifting our chest up. Pressing the front of our thighs down into the ground. Slowly tuck our toes, coming back to downward facing dog. Feet hip width distance apart, toes pointing front. Front thighs engage, fingers widespread. Index finger and thumb pressing down. Stretch your arms, stretch your armpit. And slowly lower your knees down, rest in child's pose. Hairline down onto the ground, spread your fingers, stretch your arms forward. Catch your breath here. Breathe slowly.